If you're looking for your absolute best bang for your buck electric blower, this Sunjoe is going to be a great value if you need a blower, but you don't want to spend a bunch of money and you don't mind plugging it in. So a key selling point with this blower, it can be taken apart and stored in a very small compact space. It ships in a box not much bigger than this blower part itself. It's not some big old thing. So these various pieces can be taken apart really easily, and the two pieces of the attachment will nest inside of each other for a nice small storage area, and then they just click together like so and attach to the blower like so, and then they're locked in place. They won't come off. There are no bells and whistles to this blower. It's a very basic operation, just a simple on and on switch up top. There's no adjustment for fan speed or anything like that, and then you just have the plug attachment on the back here. To use this back piece, you would just take your extension cord, make a loop, and then hook it on there, and then you can plug this in and it won't come disconnected. That cord I just put through was a 14 gauge. This is a 12 gauge cord and it will barely fit through that loop, but here is what that would look like then. So you can use this, and even if you pull on your extension cord, the plug is not going to come apart. Here's a closer look at removing the wand on the end. So you just depress that down and it'll pop right off. Slide it on, it makes really nice contact. It's well fitted, nothing to complain about in that regard. Starting it up, there's nothing to it besides an off and on switch, so slide that forward. It is advertised at 155 miles per hour of airflow. It's a nice amount of airflow for a small unit like this. Again, I think it's a nice little blower for the price. I don't think you can beat the value. So if you're looking for a corded blower at a great price point that's going to work great, I would say this Sunjoe is a